A day one moderate isn't really something that you'd expect to see in Ohio in early April. But today, on April 2nd, 2024, it happened. Let's take a look at the alert history now, shall we? Some of these I even lost count of because of how many alerts there were. As you can see around here, flood warnings. There was a double header. You can kind of see that. And you can kind of see, like, everything just progressed. And, let's see. Yes, here we go. At alert number 12, we will start to see this. Okay, and then this. 7:59, tornado warning. That was a double header. Okay, that was a double header. Triple header. Quadruple header. Quintuple header. And that came separately. Now, as of April 1st, that was the day that we got put under the moderate risk. So everyone was panicking, and then we all kind of had our thoughts that at some point the SPC would put us in a high risk. Because last time they did a day 2 moderate was on March 31st, 2023 for the Illinois storms. And there were 2 high risks that took place, and there was a day 2 moderate that ended up with that. But thankfully, I was not put under a high risk, and the moderate did move south a bit, but I was still in it. So I still kind of got my fair share, while the Kentucky area got the most of it. But I was able to get a fair amount of alerts, as you can see on the whiteboard. I replaced a 4 and 400 with a 5 because I know that I got well over EAS 500. But unfortunately, this recon didn't catch, or well, they lost memory of all the other alerts, and I highly doubt this has it as well. Yeah, 10:42 a.m. So it'll take a bit to figure out. I know there was one issued as soon as I left for school. It's like 7 o'clock. But all we really have to do is just hope that seeing this right now, we just hope that it doesn't get any worse in the summertime. For now, enjoy this compilation. Damn you, iPhone, for making me vertical.
Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Knox County, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio until 10:45 p.m. At 10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nashville, or 12 miles west of Millersburg. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Nashville, or 12 miles west of Millersburg. Moving on at 35
497.
Minor damage to
We're very close. 497. Could this be it? Could this be the day that we get EAS 500?
Holmesville, Glenmont, Nashville, Winesburg, Farmerstown, Mount Hope, and Charm. Holmesville, Glenmont, Nashville, Winesburg, Farmerstown, Mount Hope, and Charm. Here is a hazardous weather outlook. Interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Is occurring with this storm and nearly to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes and Knox. This is no weather. Flood warning in effect at 45 this morning. What? Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is occurring. Where? Portions of east central Ohio, including the following counties: Belmont, Carroll, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Ohio, northern Muskingum and Tuscarawas, and the northern panhandle of West Virginia, including the following counties: Brooke, Hancock, and Ohio. When? Until 10:45 a.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Low crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Additional details: at 7:49 a.m., local law enforcement reported flooding in the warned area. Flooding is already occurring. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected over the next few hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Wheeling, Whitton, Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, East Liverpool, Cambridge, Martins Ferry, Ridgeville, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Barnesville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Morwood, Wellsburg, Bethlehem, West Liberty, and Trayville. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded road. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from this morning to this evening. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Raccoon Creek near Glenville. When? From this morning to this evening. Impacts: at 14 feet, portions of the T.J. Evans Bike Trail are nearly flooded, with outbuildings near the Grenville Water Plant flooded. Additional details: 7 a.m. Chava stage was 9.9 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this morning to a crest of 13.9 feet late this morning. It will fall below flood stage this afternoon. Flood stage is 13 feet. Other hazards include damaging winds, large hail, and Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from this evening to early afternoon. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Scioto River at Circleville. From this evening to early Sunday afternoon. 20 feet. This flooding occurs mainly west of Circleville along Mill and Canal Roads, as well as Island Road and State Route 762. Backwater flooding along Big Darby causes flooding along roadways. The city of Circleville itself is not affected until a stage near 30 feet. At 9:45 a.m. Tuesday, the stage 12.7 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 19.6 feet early Thursday morning. It will then follow flood stage Sunday morning. Flood stage is 15 feet. Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect this evening to late Wednesday evening. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Big Darby Creek at Darbyville. From the sea to late Wednesday. At 12 feet, lowland flooding occurs along Big Darby Creek in Pickaway, Franklin and Madison counties. Portions of Darby Creek north of Darby will become flooded. At 10 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 8.8 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest at 12 feet early Wednesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Wednesday afternoon. Flood stage is 12 feet. Locally higher amounts will be possible. Here is a river flooding. Flood warning in effect until Wednesday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Norward Licking River and Newark Main Street. When? Until Wednesday morning. Impacts. At 16 feet, minor flooding of lowland areas near the North Fork continues with backwater flooding into some lots of the Owens Corning property. Flooding continues at Wildcat Park. Additional details. At 12:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 14.3 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon to a crest of 16.5 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage early Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 15 feet. Here is a river flood warning. Flood warn effect until Wednesday afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Licking River in Ohio near Newark. When? Until Wednesday afternoon. Impacts. At 15 feet, water is nearly 1 foot deep on Sleepy Hollow Road, portions of Nathaniel Avenue and Southeast Summit Road. Additionally, water encroaches areas near Canterbury Trail Mobile Home Community near Licking View Drive and 40th Street. Additional details. At noon Tuesday, the stage was 12.6 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 14.6 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage Wednesday. Flood stage is 14 feet. And other Hawaiian flood zone locations. Additional details. Multiple round showers and storms. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Clark, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Madison, and Bay. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statement and possible warning. stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I just got out of the shower, so don't worry about it.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for Belmont County, Carroll County, southeastern Columbia, Harrison County, Jefferson, Ohio County, Monroe County,
Jefferson,
Muskegon
Ohio
County,
County.
Noble County, Tuscarawas County, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia,
Oh, goodness,
Marshall
that's big.
County in northern West Virginia, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, until 9:45 p.m.
Big.
At 3:52 p.m., morning rainfall of 2.0 to 3.0 inches has caused numerous creeks and streams throughout eastern Ohio and northern West Virginia to flood. Multiple additional rounds of storms are expected during the late afternoon and evening. Imminent additional rainfall up to 1.0 inch is possible in the Warren area and could lead to flash flooding. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wheeling, Zanesville, Weirton, Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, East Liverpool, Cambridge, Moundsville, Martins Ferry, Ridgeville, New Martinsville, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Barnesville, Wellsville, Cadiz, Carrollton, and Warwood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Here is lights, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wheeling, Zanesville, Weirton, Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Coshocton, East Liverpool, Cambridge, Moundsville, Martins Ferry, Ridgeville, New Martinsville, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Barnesville, Wellsville, Cadiz, Carrollton, and Warwood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Were you just...
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe
What the hell?
thunderstorm warning for Warren County, western Fayette County, Ohio, northern Cleveland County, southern Greene County, southern Montgomery County,
bad
until 6:45
996
p.m.
did not activate the
severe
flow battery.
thunderstorm was located near Lebanon, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail.
Let's turn off these lights, right?
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Middletown,
What the hell?
Xenia,
Dude, this flash green.
Springboro, Wilmington, Monroe, Franklin, Waynesville, Sabina, Jamestown, Morrow, Hunter, Kings Island, High Point,
Kings Island.
South Lebanon, New Jasper, Mainville, Clarksville,
okay,
and Harrisburg. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 20 and 62. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 29 and 38. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight,
What now?
then a chance of showers.
Torn. Oh, no, okay, just kidding, just kidding.
watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Ohio. Of severe weather, including tornadoes, and winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 78 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties: Licking, Ohio. The service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County, Ohio.
It's for me.
Northeastern Clinton County, northwestern Pickaway County.
What are we looking at today?
Southwestern Greene County, southern Madison County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Salina, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour.
What are we looking at?
60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Okay.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Washington Courthouse, Sabina, Jamestown, Mount Sterling, South Bloomfield, Jeffersonville, Williamsport, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Commercial Point, Fox, Urban Crest, South Solon, Midway, Harrisburg, Bowersville, Orient, and Narville. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 56 and 100.
One in this house, breaking.
Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast.
Tornado threat. What's the point of having a moderate then?
Showers with thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may be severe with.
Oh wow. Holy shit. Tornado watch. I just have everything off.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch effective until 2 a.m. Wednesday, with a temperature of 47. The following counties of Ohio: Muskingum and Perry.
Oh, this I never know.
Remember, Ohio tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio. Commercial radio and listen for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 78 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Licking, Ohio. The urgent weather message. Flood watch in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
For me.
The National Weather Service in
Oh.
Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the urgent weather message. Ohio, northern Fairfield County, northern Pickaway County, southwestern Licking County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:27 p.m.,
That's what I thought.
a severe thunderstorm was located near South Bloomfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Newark, Lancaster, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Gotham, South Bloomfield, Millersport, and Pleasantville. This includes the following interstates. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 98 and 132. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 92 and 109.
Exclusive offer. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations in Texas include Columbus, Newark, Lancaster, Remington, Grove City, Goshen.
Showers with thunderstorms likely.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Central Ohio.
Northern Kentucky, a tornado possible as well as quarter size.
County, Licking, Ohio.
Rest assured.
Submitting your report via social media. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Delaware, Fairfield, Hocking.
There we go. Oh. It's a SVR instead.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County, North Central Hocking County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Canal Winchester, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Canal Winchester, Baltimore, Bremen, Pleasantville, Hideaway Hills, Royalton, Lycopolis, Amanda,
Thurston, Carroll, Sugar Grove, Rushville, West 59, Hideaway Hills, Clearport, North Bern, and Dumontville.
Doubleheader.
A tornado watch remains. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southern Fairfield County, north central Hocking County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Lancaster, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Bremen, Hideaway Hills, Royalton, Amanda, Sugar Grove, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, North Bern, and Hideaway Hills. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Doubleheader. Up WWG7 SVR.
Wednesday morning. Minor flooding is forecast. The National Weather Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Licking County in central Ohio until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, that's gonna be a triple.
Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Marshfield.
Additional details. 6:45 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 871.8. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 880.0 feet this evening. It will then fall below 12 stage overnight.
Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Grahamville, Hanover, Martin, Harbor Hills, Interstate 70 and State Route 13, and Brownsville. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued
hi,
a severe
Charleston.
thunderstorm warning
Wait, this
for
is gonna be a
Perry
quadruple?
County until 8:45 p.m. At
No, wait, this is
7:59
gonna be a
p.m.,
quintuple
a severe
header.
thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Canal Winchester, or 8 miles west of Lancaster, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Lexington, Somerset, Perry State Forest, Crooksville, Thornville, Junction City, and Glenford.
I think this might be a quintuple header. Well, it's gonna be another one, right? Quadruple. Quadruple header.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Licking County
And then
until
we have
8:30 p.m.
Pittsburgh next.
At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Harbor Hills,
Quintuple header.
moving east at
That's a
45 miles
record.
an hour. Hazard, 60
That
miles
has
an
to be
hour
the
wind
most
gusts
alerts
and
in one
quarter-size hail. Source,
quintuple
radar
header.
indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect
I'm
wind
getting a
damage to
quintuple header
trees
for
and
5
power
in a row.
lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Heath, Grahamville, Hanover, Martin, Harbor Hills, Gratiot, Toboso, Interstate 70 at State Route 13, and Brownsville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 130 and 142 and near mile marker 144.
Alright, here we go, another one.
Yep, here we go. Here we go. Look! Quintuple! Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh.
Oh my god, no shot. It's better than
35 miles an hour.
sex.
Hazard, 60 miles
Sex
an hour
tools,
wind
my
gusts
record
and
is-
quarter-size hail.
I guess we'll see.
Source, radar
Mine
indicated.
is
Impact, hail damage to vehicles,
Yeah, my record's
damage to trees and
it was
power
a
lines.
sextuple. It was 2
Locations
for 1
impacted
pound.
include Zanesville, New Concord, South Zanesville,
Yeah, I know
North
average
Zanesville,
memory over there. It
Dresden,
really.
Yeah.
Fredericksburg,
I don't know if we should
Pleasant
do
Grove,
Each time,
Collinsville,
that is an
Richmond,
average
Fulton,
thing that I
Norwich, Chancellorsville, Bridge Echo.
It's pretty rare for somebody out in Franklin, though. Like,
Drake and Dillon State Park.
Wait, sextuple?
This might be a sextuple, dude. I swear if it is. It's
Now
not.
here is the official.
it's
Okay,
not.
no.
5 in a row.
Holy shit.
My god.
Showers.
Must give him.
Oh my god, this I counted as a sextuple. I'd count it. That was 2 seconds, dude.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for central Muskingum County until 8:45 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Harbor Hills, or 7 miles southeast of Heath, moving east at 45 miles an hour.
The record, it's
Hazard, tornado.
That's
Impact.
WW7.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs.
For the following county, Licking, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Licking County in central Ohio until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Harbor Hills, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Keith, Gratiot, Brownsville, and Toboso. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 133 and 142 and near...
Oh my god! My god!
Eastern Daylight.
I know where I can get this.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a
I know where I can get this. I am FM.
Licking County until 8:30 p.m.
Building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile... Protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service...
It was all done.
5 miles an hour. Wind or size hail.
Oh, hi. You
Radar
actually
indicated.
activated. Of course you don't. Yeah, I'm recording all this.
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN
Wait, we have
and submit your report via
another one?
social
Okay,
media
no.
when you can do
I
so
think this is
safely.
it.
Let's see. Here we go.
Now here is the
No,
official...
that's it.
Okay.
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northern Perry County until 9 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Somerset, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Lexington and Perry State Forest around 8:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Glenford.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Now looking at the weather patterns affect... The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Guernsey County, southeastern Coshocton County, northeastern Muskingum County, Noble County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dresden to North Zanesville to South Zanesville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles. trees snapped and uprooted. Power outages. Locations impacted include Cambridge, Newcomerstown, New Concord, Gainesville, Antrim, Senecaville, Pleasant City, Conesville, Lower City, Old Washington, Plainfield, Norwich, Chandlersville, Otsego, Birmingham, Bowdoin, Seneca Lake Park, Salt Fork State Park, and Bolton. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast. Impacted include Zanesville, New Concord, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Fredericksburg, Philo, Pleasant Grove, Conesville, Fulton, Norwood, Falls, East Fulton, Otsego, Drake, and Dillon State Park. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Guernsey County, southeastern Coshocton County, northeastern Muskegon County, southern Tuscarawas County until 9:30 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near North Zanesville or near Adamsville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Concord around 8:50 p.m. Cambridge around 8:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lower City, Salt Fork State Park, Bowdoin, Norwich, Old Washington, Otsego, Bolton, and Birmingham. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Northwest South Pittsburgh.
Northwest South Pittsburgh.
Here.
Amazing. Amazing work, Pittsburgh.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has extended the flash flood warning for Belmont County,
Yukon
Carroll
extensions?
County, southeastern Columbiana County, Guernsey County, Harrison County, Jefferson, Ohio County, Monroe
Jefferson,
County,
Ohio County.
Muskingum County, Noble County, Tuscarawas County, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, until 1:45 a.m. At 9:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wheeling, Zanesville, Whidden, Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, East Liverpool, Cambridge, Moundsville, Martins Ferry, Ridgeville, New Martinsville, St. Clairsville, Bellaire, Barnesville, Wellsville, Cadiz, Carrollton, Warwood, and Wellsburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Here Here is a river flood warning.
Here is a river flood warning. Flood warning in effect from this evening to late Wednesday morning. What? Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Where? South Fork Licking River at Heath. When? From this evening to late Wednesday morning. Impacts at 17 feet. Some areas of Licking View Drive near Livingston Court are flooded.
How is there still
The
a
soccer
tornado?
and baseball
Okay,
fields
never
at
mind.
Olympic Park are also flooded.
I thought that was
Additional
tornado warning.
details. At 10:15 p.m. Tuesday, the stage was 16.1 feet. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 17.4 feet early Wednesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 16 feet. Here is a river flood warning.